afternoon, everyone. I'm your nurse assistant now, so I'm Joanna. So for today, I prepared the Indian woman pregnant, Indian male food. So this is the main food of the Indian. So as we know that the pregnant woman need folic acid, iron, especially killing all the nutrients. So and now I just want to introduce you. As for now, I'm gonna be prepared vegetables. So have cucumber, carrots, spinach, lemon, and tomato. So the benefits of these vegetables are the cucumber.
Pakita mo daw.
This is the cucumber or pipino.
Ha? Talaga?
Okay? Sir and Jeff have pipino. Pipino is good for hydration or EDC. Detoxification. Okay? So, carrots. So, alam niyo ba ang carrots? This is a carrots. Promote also for a healthy vision. The body of the pregnant Indian. Yun na yun. So, spinach. Ito. So, presents high source. Lalo-lalo na sa mga pregnant. Kasi, kailangan nila talaga ng mga ganito. So, lemon, nagpapaano to siya sa heart. And yung onion po, basta yun na yun. Ito lahat ay mga pagkain ng Indian, mostly Indian eating, right, madam? Mostly Indian, mostly Indian pregnant woman eating their country. So, the next is, I prefer yogurt. Usually, as I know that Indian person or Indian pregnant is love this yogurt than milk. Because this yogurt, as we know, even in we are all Filipino, this yogurt is the benefits of this. Number one is high protein, so calcium, vitamins, everything is there. So, and next is a chicken soup. So I prefer chicken soup to help the Indian pregnant to their immune system. So for fight the viruses also, because mostly it's not mostly the not only on the Indian person, you know guys, yung maselan sa lahat ng bagay, and then mga mahihina, kaya piniserve ko siya ng chicken soup para maging strong siya. And for the next, for her dinner, I prefer paratha. Paratha, this is maintain balance and nutrient diet also for the Indian pregnant woman. And paneer kadai or cheese. This is the main resources, or it's have also too much benefits of this, like calcium, vitamins, etc. So mostly the Indian woman, when I see the video of Indian woman, so that's why I prepared this food, because I already see the video that they are eating like this. So the appetizer is, sorry, maliit lang po yung chocolate kasi hindi ko nadala. The appetizer is you imagine this is a dark chocolate to provide the vessel function, reduce the immunization, radiation, and cholesterol also. So, ito na yung water niya. And then after that, after niyang kumain, tapos na siya. So, gonna be give the vitamin. Ipag-anuhin nyo na lang na kunyari ito yung vitamins ng patient. So, that is for my...
So, pretending that you already have your patient there. So, introduce mo na yung sarili mo, ganyan-ganyan. Then, how do we start
Okay.
with the eating process?
Rio! Halika Rio, dito ka.
Hindi ako pregnant, mukha pa ako magpe-pregnant. Ikaw yung babae. Yeah, you need to... You're the Indian pregnant woman.
Hi, madam. I am Hannah. I am your nurse assistant for today. So, for now on, I will give you a nutrition notes. So, you need for your body, especially of your baby.
Lagyan dapat sa
So,
plate.
I prefer for you carrot, lemon, cucumber, and basil. Subuan ko ba siya, sir? Or anuhin ko ba?
Hindi.
Di ba dapat naka-craft method?
Ano lang naman siya eh. Pregnant lang naman siya. Hindi naman siya comatose.
So, yan ang nalaman.
Can she feed herself?
Introduce ko lang po. So, okay for me. So, next, is your,
You're so mean. Okay. And then, you have to provide... Kailangan ba mag-wash ng hands ang kakain?
okay, madam, first of all, you need to wash it.
Okay. And then...
After that,
So, kain na siya. And then, afterwards...
pagkatapos mo kumain, yan.
What
Ganyan
should
ang
do?
tubig.
Can she lie down in bed already? After...
Depend on the condition for the pregnant. Hindi, sir. No.
So, she has to stay on a sitting position for few minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. And then, yun lang? Anything else you wanna add?
Of course, the yogurt for your high protein. You love yogurt? Yeah. That is good for you, right? Okay. After that, I will give you a chicken chop.
Okay.
Are you full, madam? Okay na, oo na. Sige na, mag-relax ka muna, tapos mag-dinner ka mamaya. Okay, so for a while, so, madam, this is your dinner. I'll make paratha for you, for your dinner, and this also. Paner pa rin. This is paner pa rin. Cheese. You don't know this one?
High school, you don't know that it's presentation.
I will taste later, then you know. Hindi pa naman ako nagluto niyan. And then after that, I will give you appetizer.
Appetizer.
Madam, hindi pa ako nagpag-appetizer. And then, this is your water. And then after that, you're finished eating, right? So, madam, I will recommend on you. This is your
Recommend?
vitamins. So, I need to take. So, that's all for today. Thank